Today is Autism Awareness and Acceptance Day, so I thought I'd share my story. I was diagnosed with autism back in 2007, which was nearly 2 decades ago now, which as a result, the official diagnosis I have doesn't really make much sense in today's terms. My official diagnosis is, get ready for it, high-functioning autism with Asperger's traits. Yeah, it doesn't really work like that anymore, as Asperger's and autism are now morphed into one thing, autism. Autism affects everyone differently, in which in my case, it affects things like social skills, processing things, communication difficulties, and I've got a pretty busy brain, whether I like it or not. Autistic people also tend to have special interests and fixations in certain topics, in which mine happen to be cars, tech, filming, and editing. When it comes to that stuff, people in my life know that I just don't shut up. Let me tell you this though, living with autism is not easy. I do struggle with processing things and I overthink a lot. Sometimes I find it difficult to communicate my thoughts or express myself clearly, and some days are easier than others, but over time, I've learned to live with it and accept it. Autism doesn't define me. It's simply a part of who I am, and I've learned to embrace it over time. In fact, I believe it's one of the main reasons as to why I've achieved my dream goals that I've had since childhood and continue to pursue new ones. Autism Awareness and Acceptance Day is about understanding, acceptance, and support for autistic individuals. I try to do my part by educating those around me, neurodiverse or not, about autism and help people understand what it's really like to live with and the unique challenges we face on a daily basis. Growing up, I often felt like an outcast compared to a lot of my peers, but those experiences have honestly turned me into a stronger person, and they've also led me to the amazing people in my life today who I truly appreciate and cherish forever. This is now where I'd like to do a very special shout out to my family and friends for all the laughter, happiness, and strong support they've all given me through all different phases of my life. They've always had my back, and it's something I will always hold on to dear heart forever. Before I end this video, I have one more thing to say. Being inclusive really isn't that hard. A bit of kindness, patience, and understanding can go a long way. Let's continue to support and uplift autistic individuals, not just today, but every single day. Don't let anyone bring you down. Never give up on your dreams no matter what, even with life's challenges. You will get there. I really should be taking some of my own advice here. Thank you guys for watching. I'm Bailey Rawson, and I wish you a happy Autism Awareness and Acceptance Day.